Ready to unleash your DOGS cryptocurrency on the Bybit exchange and potentially rake in some rewards. First, you'll need a Bybit account. If you don't already have one, head over to Bybit.com and sign up. It's quick and easy if you are an existing user. Log into your Bybit account. Next, navigate to your assets page, then go to Spot Account. This is where you'll find all your crypto holdings. Click the deposit button. In the deposit window, search for dogs in the coin selection field. Make sure you select the correct DOGS network when prompted to ensure your tokens arrive safely. Your deposit address will then be generated, and make sure to copy it accurately. Now go to your wallet where your DOGS tokens are currently stored. For example, MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Select Send or Withdraw and paste the Bybit deposit address you just copied into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of DOGS you want to transfer. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your DOGS tokens will appear in your Bybit Spot account. To start trading, navigate to the Trade section and search for the DOGS trading pair, such as DOGS, USDT. You can now place buy or sell orders using different order types like market or limit orders. Analyze the charts, consider your strategy, and execute your trades. Remember to manage your risk effectively. You're now ready to participate in the DOGS ecosystem and potentially profit from the power of crypto. So good luck.